ladies and gentlemen, I want to go ahead and introduce these awesome trucks with these amazing drivers. First up, we have an amazing up-and-coming young man here today with us in his mini monster truck. He's been driving for a couple years now, and he's only 14 years old. So please give it up for the one and only Tucker Rife in the mini monster top go! All right, first up is a guy that started as a crew chief, and he's worked his butt off, and now his dream has come true. So please give a huge welcome to Jerry Furlinger, all the way from Uniontown, Pennsylvania, in the Instigator. Next up is an iconic named monster truck. One of the names that started out in the 1990s and is making a name for himself in a lot of shows this year. It's none other than David Rife in Awesome Kong! Okay, ladies, you are being represented here today. Next up's a lady who gives all the boys a run for their money with her unique driving style, her ability to psych out the guys before the show. She's been working her way up the ladder to be a true competitor. She's won wheelie contests, racing contests, and a couple freestyle events. How about we give it up for the one and only Anna Streatch, driving none other than Nutty Girl! This next truck was built to represent and give honor to all the men and women of the fire departments and first responders in this nation. In fact, if you check this truck out in the pit party, you would have seen the 343 all over the body and the chassis. To pay tribute to the 343 first responders we lost 9/11 in the towers, this man never fails to drive his truck on the ragged edge. With his unique driving style, please put your hands together for Paul Breaud out of Airville, Pennsylvania, the pilot of the Backdraft. Last but definitely not least, the cleanest, the most well-maintained machine in the business, sporting the bow tie badging and a ton of horsepower. Sponsored by Sign Pro out of Harrisburg. He's the king of the slab wheelies and one heck of a racer. Local boy from Elkton, Virginia, Brandon Derrow. Bad news travels fast. The louder you get, the harder they're going to push on the gas pedal, and a lot less they're going to push on the go slow pedal. So how about we give one huge round of applause to all these amazing drivers and trucks today. Woo! It's all you got? All right, we'll work on that. All right. We'll get all our trucks parked safely. We'll go ahead and Case will test out Instigator. I'd like to give a big shout out to Cody Wade. Cody, happy 8th birthday. Shout out to Karen Davis, happy 12th birthday. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. He gets to make 2 hits on whatever he wants. You guys are going to decide how good of a wheel. Nice backed up into his little pit stall. Then we're gonna bring out the lady. She out here representing all the females.
Where is she?
Periodically through the show, I got a whole bunch of Frisbees. What I do is I get the drivers to autograph all the Frisbees. Certain times of the show, I go out and throw them around. There's a reason I'm a monster truck announcer and not a professional Frisbee player. I'm not good at it. So we came up with a little idea that we're going to do a little grudge match with them two after this. So who thinks Instigator did the best wheelie?
Literally no one.
Are you laughing at me?
No.
That's my socks, my hair messy, something, whatever. All right, who thinks Awesome Kong did a better wheelie? Not bad. Now you guys are quiet over here, though. It's like an echo. This is weird. All right. Who thinks Muddy Girl nailed it? Are you sure? Muddy Girl did a better wheelie? Yeah? All right. Anna, you rocked the boys again as usual. All right, so y'all ready for this little grudge match? Now, the two trucks coming out, they can make two hits on whatever they want. Whether they blow a donut, a sky wheelie, anything that they want. But I need you guys to vote for one and only one, all right? And we'll just go with that. What do you think? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let me get out of here because I can't run fast anymore. I'm getting... thinks Backdraft did a better trick? Who thinks bad news travels fast did a better trick? Okay, that's a no-brainer. Brandon, you just won that one. All right, we're gonna get our tough trucks lined up. We're gonna do round one. The truck he's driving is a Honda 4-cylinder. It's been converted over to a application to fit in a custom-built monster truck chassis. And believe me, this little truck around. We got size. 2 years and we drive an awesome car over the Prospector. And he ain't scared to run that truck hard. Watch this. What do you think of that, Fishersville? 12 years old. Shut him down. The drive shaft decided it didn't want to be part of the truck anymore. How about we give young Tucker Rife a big round of applause? He brought it out and broke it out for you. Come on, give it up now. Who wants Backdraft to win it? Who wants Woody Girl to win it? Who wants the announcer to be quiet and send the talk? All right. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! awesome Kong and Instigator bringing up the fifth. We're going to bring out our tough trucks for the next round. The winner of Freestyle is, ladies and gentlemen, directly after that last truck freestyles, all the drivers will be over at our merchandise booth, and you can come get in line for the Backdraft monster truck ride truck. Are we ready, Fishersville?
Let's
Let 'em
go.
hear you! Fire 'em up! Let 'em go!
Well, that's it.
Who wants to see what awesome? Flooded. Hold your foot on the floor. Just hold it down. Come on, baby girl, show us some love. There we go. Stubborn old girl. All right, we tested him out. He passed the test. And here we go. Let's see what awesome Kong can do. David Rife, hometown boy. Alright, not sure what's going on out there. Jake's gonna go out there and see what happened. Something break.
Just trying to kill themselves.
Right?
As soon as I get figured out what's going on out there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure. Something minor, looks like it just shut off. Sometimes they take a hard jar and it'll shut the fuel off, and it'll do a master kill. Chase a good mechanic, we'll see if he can figure out what it is. We can continue on with the run. We're gonna run one more truck and then we're gonna pull that winning 50-50 ticket. So dig out your tickets. As soon as we get David's done with his run, we're gonna bring out one more truck. Okay, is it gonna run or not? Let me know if you need a skid steer. Alright, I'm coming. Alright, not only am I the announcer track builder, but I'm also the rescue vehicle. Does my microphone work out here? After we let Money Girl do her freestyle, we are going to pull that ticket.
I know.
I'll let the fire forward. guys are gonna pick the winner of the freestyle event. But at this time, I'd like to call up the Wilson Fire Department. Let's pick that number. Get all your tickets out. Let me go on down there and see if I can get closer to them. All right, guys, you want to pull that ticket now?
Get ready.
Everybody want to see who the winner is, right? Now listen, there's only going to be one winner. We are good Americans. So no, give it up, Breaud! I think that was a bad thing. How about we give it up for Backdraft? He just burned it down for y'all! I gotta see if it's not a transmission issue. Alright, give it up for Backdraft! I think he just... He's good, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Fishersville, what do you think of that? I wish I would have won that raffle since he wiped out my speaker. Give it up for Paul.
That's funny. I ain't never seen that like that. Nobody get that close.
God bless America. He's destroyed my lights that don't work, bro.
Is that the light that you put out here?
Joe, I'm coming back next year with a new light. Wow, he done broke everything. guys have been awesome today. Thank you very much. I've enjoyed myself immensely down here in this lovely state of Virginia. So, who do you think won freestyle? Instigator! Awesome. Muddy Girl! Backdraft! Did I forget anybody? Bad news travels fast! I'm gonna have to say I agree with that one, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, all our drivers are gonna be right over at those two blue tents within a few minutes. They'll get their trucks parked. They'll be over there for autographs, questions, pictures, stuff like that. I want to thank you all. I got one little favor to ask you all. Play nice with each other. It's our country. We need to take it back. We need to show them we ain't gonna put up with all this monkey business. God bless you all. The ride truck's loaded up and ready to go. For anybody that didn't get a ride, they'll run that truck until everybody gets a ride, wants a ride. For everyone that wants a ride, gets a ride. My name's Tim Howard. I thank you very much on behalf of Monster Truck Racing League. Those tickets will be on sale tomorrow until Wednesday. You get a free child, and adults are only $10 pre-sale. We'll be back here in April. You say April or July? July 9th. I'll be here, God willing. Again, God bless you all, and thank you for making us part of your day. And I hope to see you all again, and everybody bring a couple friends, because we're probably going to bring about 8 monster trucks here next time, and about a dozen or more tough trucks. Things go right, we're going to bring some modified tough trucks in, daily driver tough trucks, and stock tough trucks. So keep an eye out on Facebook and all your advertising. Drive safe, you don't have to go. Hang out with us for a while.